Well, the son grew older and wiser became. Then one day to himself he said, I wonder how is me mother at home? Is she living or is she dead? Well, he walked round the block to the GPO and went in with his cap in hand. By any chance there'd be a letter for me from me mother in Ireland. Oh yes, kind sir, and here it is. We've been looking for you and all. We knew someday that someone would come from Cork or old Donegal, with all the millions that's living here now in the whole of the USA. For a mother in Ireland, at last we have found her son in America.
Oh!